So traders, I've been getting a lot of questions in the comment section about, okay, if the market's going to crash, where is it? Why isn't the market crashing right now if the market's going to crash? So I want to talk to you about that and what I'm actually expecting and the reality of what crashes are, because the idea of what makes people think about crashes and the reality of a market crash is completely different. And so I want to bring you back into reality so we can understand what's going on right now, so we can understand what a crash really is, and so you can just be understanding of what's going on there, right? Because you can ignore reality, but you can't ignore the consequences of ignoring reality. And then secondly, I want to talk to you about the good old Bitcoin, because I think Bitcoin could be setting up for one extraordinary move on the downside. Let me get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so before I do start guys, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you grab that free trading course. You see that free trading course there guys? You get I'm literally just giving this all away for free. Even if you don't want to do anything with me, you don't want to buy anything with me, you think I'm full of shit, whatever, right? Just get the help you need. In that free trading course, you will start to learn the biggest mistakes you're making right now so you can actually start to move forward. You will learn the most powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You'll learn my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. You'll learn so much. I'm giving this all away for free. And yes, if you want to become a coaching client, you can if you want to, but you don't have to, right? So get the help you need. Do not be going around these markets blindly just guessing, all right? There is no guessing around professional trading. Professional trading is not a guessing game, okay? Let me guess here, let me guess there, let me guess. No guessing, okay? Professional trading is all about systems and processes. So with that being said, let's have a look at this here. So a lot of people have been talking about the market crash. And I'm getting one bumblebee right now. You bumblebee in the chat box, right? I'm getting one bumblebee. Let's actually go to the Dow Jones. And I'm getting one bumblebee right now. Let's go to the daily chart. And I'm looking at the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones has had a rip your face off rally, right? It's had a very, very, very strong rally, right? And no one actually expected to see this here. And he's been saying in the comment section below, which do not be listening to this guy, by the way, this is risk-free. This is risk-free. This is money in the bank. This is all. No. There is nothing risk-free in the markets, all right? So if you see that comment section, you see that guy, I think his name's Michael, all right? I call him Pickle. Not Michael, his name's Pickle, all right? Pickle, Mr. Pickle, throw your ego at the window. You may have actually bought the Dow Jones and you've captured this rally. Good on for you. Now here's my challenge to you, Mr. Pickle, right? Where did I get Pickle from? I don't know. There you go. Right. So, Mr. Pickle. Now, if you did say, let's say you actually bought the Dow Jones. You bought the Dow Jones at 29,000. You are an absolute legend and you wrote it up and you're still long right now. Oh yeah, and you loaded it up, right? You're like, this is zero risk, which is there's no zero risk in the markets. None, right? So Mr. Pickle, and you're still long right now. And let's just say you got out. Let's just say, you know what? Oh my goodness, you loaded up big time and you made $1 million on this. Now, Mr. Pickle, my challenge to you is that exact same process that you went through to earn that $1 million. Let's say you did, right? You earned $1 million. Wow, hee-ha, right? Now, my challenge to you is this. Now do that again for the next 10 years. Oh wait, you can't? Oh, that's right, because you got lucky. That's not called trading. Professional trading is all about having systems and processes and patterns and structures and setups that give you probability, and so therefore you can rely on that probability for the rest of your life. Successful trading is not about being lucky. I don't give, Mr. Pickle in the chat box below, I don't give a rat's rear end if you made $10 million on this rally on the Dow Jones. All I care about is what can you do for the rest of your life. Because I promise you this, Mr. Pickle, okay? That Mr. Pickle, where did I get that from? Mr. Pickle, right? So, Mr. Pickle in the chat box, I promise you this, that you have, let's just say you made $10 million on this rally through here, right? Oh my goodness, I told you that's going up, and you made $10 million. You know what's going to happen? You're going to lose all of that because next time the market is going to, and next time you think, oh, well, I got it right last time and the market's here. Oh, I got it right last time. I'm going to do it again. And then the market does that on your ass. And not only do you actually load up like you did before, but then you actually apply a lot more leverage because you're the man, right? You're the man. Yeah, here we go. You know exactly what's going to happen. You're the man. And guess what happens? Not only do you lose the entire $10 million that you made on this very first lucky guess through here. Oh my goodness, I got lucky. Lucky. Mr. Pickle got lucky, right? But now they take your bloody house as well too. And then you get divorced and then you're contemplating suicide. Do not be a fool by these markets. These markets have no place for an ego, right? And that's where, and traders, I'm talking to you right now because I've done this, right? I've traded, I've made a lot of money. Oh, whoa, look, here I go, right? And the market will slap the ego out of you as quick as you can think, oh, look at me, I'm so good, right? So, one, I'm talking to everyone. I'm talking to everyone here, but I'm really talking to Mr. Pickle here. Mr. Pickle, you are getting lucky right now, okay? Professional trading is all about what can you do for the rest of your life so you can rely on that as an income, right? That's what professional trading really is. It's trading for income is having a systematical process. So that means that you have a probability. So if you take, and trading is all about, if you actually see my trades, in fact, I sent out a video recently showing all my trades that I've been taking, and you'll see that all my trades have the exact same setup. There's the exact same probability, and 8-9 times out of 10, guess what? I'm going to generate a profit, and that 10 to 20% of the time, I'm going to make a loss. That's called probability. So if I take 10 trades, I know roughly 8-9 times out of 10, I'm going to generate at least a small little profit. And maybe 10-20% of the time, I'm going to make a loss. I can do that for the rest of my life and make money. Make sense? That's how you make money for the rest of your life and feed your family. Because I promise you, you make a lot of money, Mr. Pickle, and then you lose it. Now, on to what I actually talked about at the start of this video, which is where is the market crash? Here is the thing about, you got to understand about market crashes. A lot of people look at market crashes like Luna, right? Luna, Mr. Crypto. Oh, it's not even, has it been delisted, has it? Oh, it's actually been, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? You know the whole Luna? Oh, I can't even, it's not coming, right? So what you guys think about a crash is this, right? Say the market's gonna crash, quick, the market's gonna crash, and boom! That's what you would expect the market to crash. Guys, come on, no. Let's actually bring it back. Right? Let's bring it right back. Let's talk about the reality of what market crashes do, right? What do market crashes do? A market crash, or what is a market crash? A market crash is what? Just a bear market. Now, in the bear market, yes, you will have downward pressure, right? So if I draw up this here, right? So here we go. All right, class is in session. So yes, there are going to be times, so if you come down here, then we have a little rally, right? And then we come back down to here and we have another little rally through here and we come back down to here and we have a little rally here. Yes, there are going to be times when you start to get really like a lot of panic selling like this, like a strong selling. But it's all it is just in a downward market, okay? And you get these pullbacks. That's the technical term for a crash, right? So, oh, John, your market's going to crash. Where is it? We're in that crash right now. It's happening right now, right? Just be patient, okay? Because it's like if you look at say 2000 and if you look at say 2000 and we'll go to the S&P 500. Let's go to 2008 here. Oh, look at my trend lines. Oh, it's so pretty trend lines. Now, look at this here, right? This was what? This is a sexy beast, right? A sexy beast because I can get two at the same time. Kill two birds at the same time. Actually, don't kill a bird. It's okay. All right. You can't even eat them. So why would you kill a bird? Actually, just kill the magpies. Those little fuckers, I tell you, especially when I'm running, it's like a little magpie. Just kill the magpies. Don't kill the birds. Kill the magpies. Okay. So look at this here. So Look at this here. Oh my goodness, it was the tech bubble and the tech bust. Oh my goodness, the crash of 2001 crash. We know that, right? Look, down, up, big move down, up, big move down, sideways, big move down. What is that? It's just a bear market. And the legs down are very accentuated with a really big, strong move down. And then we start a big bull market. Here we go. And then guess what happens? We stop. Big move down and we get a nice pullback, big move down, pullback, big move down, pullback, big move down. You get what I'm saying there? And yes, you are going to get times when you start to get something like this when things really get bad, right? But I don't think we're there right now. That's when the whole banking system was going under crisis, right? We're not there right now. There's too much money on the sidelines, right? It's not like, oh my goodness, the money's going to dry up. That's it. It's all over forever. No, right? So, where's the market crash, John? Where's the market crash? We're in it right now. Okay, so if we have a look at what's happening right now, what's going on? We're just what? Doing the same thing, you know? Look at this here. Down, big move down, pull back, big move down, pull back, big move down, pull back. You get what I'm saying there? Let's go to good old Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, right? Let's have a good old, look at this here. We're in the crash right now. It's just nothing happens in one day, right? It's like I wake up tomorrow. Oh my goodness, blood in the streets. There's going to be days like that, right? But overall, what do we have? Big move down, pull back. Big move down, pull back. Big move down, pull back. Guess what's coming next? It's going to be a big move down, right? So for you guys in the chat box below saying, oh, where's the market crash? Where's the market crash? We're actually in it right now. Okay, so let's actually look at the reality of what a crash is. Now, individual stocks, when you talk about individual stocks, yeah, you can start to get there are going to be times when you start to get that falling off a cliff type movements, right? You are going to get that with individual stocks. But when you're talking about the indices, no. Okay, the indices take time, and that's where the market crash is. So let's actually revert. Let's say the last thing I want to talk about here when it comes to the markets is Bitcoin. This is a little bit of extra bonus for you guys, you know. I was going to say, it's a Black Friday sale for you guys. A little bit of Black Friday sale for you guys. But it's not even a sale. It's Cyber Monday. It's a Cyber Monday sale. But it's actually not even, I'm not even selling it. I'm just giving you like a little extra thing for this video. So it's a Cyber Monday free sale. Free little gift here, right? So look at this here. So, oh my goodness, Bitcoin crash. Big move down, pull back, big move down. Oh, I thought the market's going to crash, John. What happened with the crash? The crash, big move down. Oh, John, I thought the market's going to crash, big move down. Oh, John, I thought the market's going to crash, big move down. Right, Mr. Pickle? Mr. Pickle? So, I said Michael Pickle. Does that even rhyme? Leave a comment section below, guys. Does that even rhyme? What should I have called that guy? That guy who's telling everyone that there's risk-free money in the markets and you can't lose and that sort of absolute bullshit in the markets. No, you can lose. That's what's called risk management, right? And you never know if you're going to make a profit or not. All my private clients know that. So, but look at this here. We're in a big move down, right? And look at this here. So now we're still in this movement here. But if I start to go to the hourly chart, look what's happening through here. We're doing this. Guys, wake up, warning, right? Sideways. Because guess what? If we start to get something like this, like a big move down, like this, like a bar like that, guess what? We're probably going to have a bit of a rally up here, like that, little pullback. And then we're probably going to start to make our way back down. So there could be a trading opportunity. Private clients, right? There could be a shorting opportunity. I've made so much money shorting Bitcoin. I actually, look... Right? The exact same, what I'm talking about right here was the exact same thing I did back here. Look at this here. Sideways. Oh, what is that? Large bar. Oh, beautiful. Right? Good trading opportunity. So, for you guys that are private clients, look at what's going on right now with these markets through here, right? Especially on that 15-minute chart. Look, we're getting a beautiful pullback. If we start to get like a big, strong bar, especially something like that, like a big, strong down bar, breaking past especially these levels through here, guess what? Now we're talking about the good old Bitcoin actually having a move down. So watch out for that. We could actually be, now it could break up. So that's why you never want to preempt. No one knows exactly what's going to happen. So that's where trading is all about having setups, structures in place. And then we wait for our confirmation candle to get in, and then we actually trade it from there.